Welcome to another how-to video, how to transfer Google Calendar to another Gmail account. So let's begin. First, make sure you have signed into your Google account. Point your cursor, like where I point at my name, Maria Fords. Don't click it. After that, click the three dots beside the name. This will show up. Click Settings and Share. While you are in the calendar settings, click Add People and Groups. Add someone to your group, for example, by using their Gmail. Like this one, I'm going to put Joven's Gmail. Now let's click Send, and that's it. That's how you can share and transfer Google Calendar to another Gmail account. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.